In this video, we will be seeing the select statement of SQL. So select command or select statement of SQL is used for retrieving the tables data. So for retrieving tables data in different ways, we use select command, and so it is used for retrieving tables data. And syntax to use it is select keyword followed by the column name or column names. So we can select a single column or multiple columns from keyword, then the table name. So this is the syntax which is used for selecting the data of columns from SQL table. So select followed by the columns from table name. Now, if you have multiple columns, those multiple columns you can separate using a comma. So example, if there is a single column, suppose I have ID column in student table, then select ID from student. And if I have ID name course and I want to select ID and name, then select ID comma name from student. So in the first statement, it will be selecting only the ID columns data, whereas in select the second statement, select will be selecting two columns data, that is ID and name from student table. So this way select is used. And in case if you want to select all the columns from the table without mentioning the names of column, then you can use asterisk symbol, which refers to all the columns. So when I write select asterisk symbol from student or select star from student, then this asterisk symbol will be referring to all the columns in the table. So all the columns present in the table will be displayed. Now let's see this command in practical. So here I will be selecting data from, so I have a table student 2. So no rows selected. And if I select star from student details, then I have all the columns from the table student details selected. But in this table, I want only ID and name. Then I can select ID from, so, so I will be selecting ID from student details. So only the IDs will be displayed. Same way, if I want to select only two columns, then I can select ID and name also. So in this manner, select is used to retrieve the table's data or columns data from a table. So here we are retrieving all the columns from student details table. Student details is the table name from which we are selecting all the columns. So star symbol or asterisk symbol refers to all symbols, whereas here I have mentioned the column name as ID, so only ID is selected. And same way, here I have selected only ID and name. So if you want to give more than one column name in the select query, you can use comma to separate them. So select column 1, comma column 2 from student details. So student details here is the table name. So this way select query is used in SQL. So select command is used for retrieving the tables data, or we can say for retrieving the data present in column from table. Syntax for using it is select followed by the column names from table name and semicolon to end the statement. And examples I have given here: ID from student, ID and name from student, or all the columns from student. Student here is the table name, whereas ID name refers to the column names. Asterisk refers to all the columns. So this way select command can be used in SQL. So for more information on the SQL commands, please do subscribe the channel, and we will be seeing more commands, also the select command in detail in coming videos.